Hello students, this is Pragasham sir from Math Beyond Marks, where you can score mathematics by learning concepts. This is video number 54 and the figure it out exercise taken from page number 80 of your class 8 CBSE textbook from chapter 3 story of numbers. So in the previous 10 parts I have covered all the figure out exercises spread over all the pages of your third chapter. I recommend you to watch all the videos so that you can get familiarized with all the number systems whatever I taught already. Also, I request you to subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell icon so that you can receive the notifications so that you can watch all the videos what and all I am going to post in all the chapters of class 8. Question number 1 from page number 80, figure it out exercise. Why do you think the Chinese alternated between Zong and Heng symbols? If only the Zong symbols were to be used, how would 41 be represented? Could this numeral be interpreted as in any other way if there is no significant space between two successive positions? I hope you can understand. So they used only two symbols. One is Zong, that is for standing position, and Heng, that is for sleeping position. Okay. There is standing position and sleeping position. Only two lines they used. Now they gave the number 41 to try. If I want to write 41 using Zong and Heng, it will be like this. Okay, only one in Zong, that is units place, and 4 in this place. Which one? Heng's place. So this is 41. Suppose they used only Zong symbol. How this will be? We have to write like this: 1 for units place and 4 for tens place. But it may look like 5. Okay. Or it may be interpreted as 1 like this and afterwards 4. 1 separately. That means 1, 4. 14 also they can interpret. So they can make it, they can understand as 5 or they can understand as 14 also. Many other ways. That's why to avoid the confusion, they use this method Zong and Heng. Alternately, they change the position to know that there is a number. That means this is units place, tens place, thousands place, hundreds place, like that it goes on. So, to form a base 2 place value system using Ukasar and Urapan as the digits. Okay, we'll write, let us consider A. What is A? 2 power 0. What is that? That is 1. Then B, that is nothing but 2 power 1. Yeah, base 2 system, no, it is 2. Then C, 2 power 2, that is 4. And D, 2 power 3, that is 8. A, B, C, D, 2 power 8, like that. 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 8, like that it goes on. That's all this base 2 system using digits. Question number 3. Where in your daily lives and in which professions do the Hindu numerals and 0 play an important role? What is this question? Everywhere 0 plays an important role only. How might our lives have been different if our number system and 0 hadn't been invented or conceived of? Just in the third question we have seen, we will be struggling to write only with Rapan and Ukasar itself, or we wouldn't have come across base 10 itself, base 4, base 5, base 6, base 7 or base 8, something we would have done. So this number 0 hasn't come means what wouldn't have happened? The computer itself no chance. Why? Because the computer works only with the binary number 0 and 1, 1 and 0 only. all the numbers it converts, all the numbers, digits, video, everything it converts into binary 1 and 0, and then only it executes. So without that, our computers, mobile phones, anything we don't have thought of, no use, nothing. We will be still counting the cows only with the help of the sticks only. Question number 4 in figure it out exercise, page number 80. The ancient Indians likely used base 10 for the Hindu number system because humans have 10 fingers. And so we can use our fingers to count. But what if we had only 8 fingers? How would we be writing numbers then? What would the Hindu numerals look like if we were using base 8 instead or base 5 instead? Try writing the base 10 into numeral 25 as base 8 and base 5 into numerals. So you have to write base 10 into numeral 25 as to base 10 and base 5 into numerals respectively. Can you write it in base 2 also? Yes, let us see. We have to write only, no, we have to try. We know all the number systems. Then we have to try and complete it. Yes, what is that now? It is, if it is base 8, here 3 important things are coming: base 8, base 5 and base 2, 10 fingers, and these are all, and into numeral 25 we are going to write. So now what is base 10 means, it is 10 numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that's all. What is base 8 then? 0. Using base 10 they are asking, so you have to include 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to 7. Why no 8? Because in 8 it will recycle again. 8 it will become 1 again and it goes. So up to bulk 1, 8 is 1. So we are writing in sticks means 8 bars you will place and then 1 more. Okay, next base 4. What is base 4? Base 5 they have given. Base 5 means how it will be? It will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be using only 5 digits including 0 because they are asking in base 10 system. Okay, now how we will be writing 25? Okay, what about base 2? No need to say at all. Base 2 we know already. It is 0 and 1. Base 2 system is 0 and 1. That's all, only 2. So now 25, let us take the number. We'll take in base 8. What you have to write base 8? How many 8s are here in 24? 24 divided by 8 is 3 times plus remainder is coming 1. Are you clear or not? So 25 divided by 8, because 8 it is going to be cycled 8 digits. Afterwards 1 bunch again it is going to be recycled. So it is 3 plus 1. This 3 and 1, not 3 plus, 3 times and 1, no, 3 times and 1. So it can be written as in base 10, 25. In base 8, it can be written as 31 base 8. That's all. Very clear. So how much is the remainder like that? Now, suppose you are writing 25 in base 10 to 5 we are going to convert, means we are divided by 5. But what the problem? 25, if we divide 5 times, remainder is coming 0. So how you will write the answer for this one? How you will write? That is nothing. 50. 5, 0 in base 5. 50. What about in base 2? The same 25 I am going to write in base 2. If we divide, it will come. Here it is a big thing. It come process, I hope. 12 times remainder 1. Okay, I'll write like this. Then again if you divide this one, 6 times remainder 0. Again if I divide by 2, 3 times remainder is 1. Again if I divide by 2, 1 time remainder is 1. So what is here? Remainders are coming, you see. All those remainders you write. 1, 1. Why this one I am taking? First I have to take this one, not this one. 1, 1, 0, 1 in base 2 system. Are you able to understand, my dear children? Why this one I am writing? Yes, what is that quotient? that one and this one only you have to write it. That's all. These are all reminders. One is the question. So 1101 base 2 system. This is only our computers are using base 2 system. I hope you are able to understand. If any doubts are there, please comment in the comment section. My dear children, with this question, the figurative exercises all are getting over from chapter 3, a story of numbers. This is the last figurative exercise. I have dealt with 11 parts. All the 11 parts I recommend you to watch and learn thoroughly. Okay, please subscribe my channel so that I can post the next chapters also with interest. In this series, I have done all the figurative exercises in 11 parts. Also teaching before that 10 parts for teaching concepts itself. I have spent 10 parts for teaching concepts and 11 parts for exercises, so that I recommend everyone to watch all the videos so that you can be very thorough with a story of numbers. Also, wait for the next chapter what I am going to post. Already 4 chapters are over. Till quarter already over. Now I am going to deal with the 5th chapter in the next video. If you want me to teach anything else, you remind me in the comment section. I hope you like all the videos. If you like, please subscribe and recommend it to your friends. Also click the bell icon so that you can receive the notifications when and all I am posting the videos or I am uploading the videos. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video of next chapter. Thank you.